this video, I'll show you how to stretch text vertically in Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva and create a new project. Go to the Text tab. Add a heading text box and type your desired text. Customize the font style and size. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as the file type, enable transparent background, and click Download. Go to the Uploads tab and upload the downloaded text image. Delete the original text on the page. Then drag the uploaded text image onto the canvas. Temporarily change the background color for better visibility. Select the text image and click Crop. Ensure Freeform is selected under Aspect Ratio. Locate the corner handles marked with small L shapes. Drag these inward to create a new crop area. Now hold the Shift key and drag the circular corner points upward or downward to stretch the text vertically. Click Done to apply. Finally, drag the edge handles to reveal the full height of the stretched text. And that's it. If this helped, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.